Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Lush tropical jungle, wooden architectural structure, large central archway, open-air living space, swimming pool reflecting surrounding foliage and structure, wooden beams and pillars, natural textures of wood and stone, warm earthy tones, emerald green foliage, impressionistic lighting, depth of field, detailed shadows, natural materials, exotic plants, palms, calm atmosphere, interior of structure, overlooking the pool, tranquility, organic shapes, sustainable design, vibrant greens and browns, peaceful. Exterior stone steps leading up to a rustic wooden beamed house, hyper-realistic, lush landscaping with lavender, various sized terracotta and rusty metal pots filled with vibrant purple lavender and other greenery. A mix of stone and flagstone paving the walkway and steps, natural browns, grays, and creams, with the stonework looking aged and weathered. Full outdoor shot, sunlight illuminating the scene, with distant softly forested hills in the background. Impressionistic softness in the background and details of the plants. Large windows in the house with a light tan/beige stone facade. A sense of tranquility and warmth. A modern, luxury home's outdoor patio area, twilight ambience. Exterior shot, hyper-realistic, emphasizing depth of field. Dark gray/charcoal colored exterior walls. Large, weathered wooden wine barrels, used as planters, illuminated by warm, ambient lighting. Purple/lavender flowers and greenery surround the barrels and pave a pathway with stepping stones of light gray stone. Pathway and landscaping are illuminated with warm lighting to highlight textures and details. Tall trees and shrubs in the background, creating a sense of lush greenery. Glass walls on the home's exterior provide a view into the interior spaces, softly lit. A serene, contemporary Japanese-style garden with a modern home. Hyper-realistic rendering. Large, varied stones of gray, brown, and beige, arranged in a flowing gravel path, leading to a spacious wooden patio with large sliding glass doors to the house. Low, carefully manicured greenery, including bushes, small trees, and bonsai, surround the stone path. The house is a mix of concrete, wood, and glass, using muted earth tones. Warm, diffused sunlight creates soft shadows and highlights the textures of the stone and plants. Focus on the detailed textures of the stones, gravel, and plants. Impressionist effects around the edges of larger trees and bushes to create depth and emphasize natural lighting. A meticulously landscaped backyard water feature. A small pond, fed by a cascading waterfall, is nestled amidst various rocks of different sizes and shades of gray. Surrounding the pond are lush green plants, including ferns, leafy foliage, and colorful flowers like purple phlox and other blooms. Rocks and stones are strategically placed to create a natural, flowing effect. The scene includes a wooden fence, a portion of a light beige siding house, and greenery. The overall impression is one of a tranquil, well-maintained garden oasis. Hyper-realistic rendering, detailed textures of the rocks, plants, and water. Focus on the interplay of light and shadow on the rocks and foliage. A stunning, hyper-realistic, and slightly impressionistic aerial shot of a modern, eco-friendly, multi-level wooden home nestled into a lush, verdant hillside. The home is a series of interconnected, open-air, multi-level decks and rooms, built with a mix of dark gray/black metal support structures and warm wood paneling. Large glass windows and balconies offer stunning views of the surrounding forest. The lower level features a stone retaining wall and integration with a muted, olive green shipping container. Rich, saturated greens and browns dominate the landscape, contrasting with the dark and light wood tones and steel elements of the home. A tranquil, modern, and artistic courtyard garden nestled between black shipping container walls. Hyperrealistic rendering. A patio with a pale gray stone pathway winds through the garden, lined with small, carefully manicured bushes and trees, including a vibrant fall-colored maple. Various decorative pottery and bonsai are displayed on wooden pallets and in the containers of the plants, giving a Japanese garden aesthetic. The courtyard is surrounded by a contemporary, sleek, black, container-style home/studio with expansive glass walls that reveal the interior. Wooden accents or beams are visible on the roof and side of the house. A lush, elevated, modern ecolodge nestled within a verdant forest. Hyperrealistic, high-angle, full shot. A two-level structure with a rooftop garden and seating area. Wooden decking, light gray concrete walls with a textured, wood grain pattern, natural wooden accents and supports. Plants and flowers are various shades of green, yellow, and orange, filling the garden spaces. The forest floor is densely forested with trees and foliage in various greens and browns. A grassy meadow is visible in the background. Soft, dappled sunlight filtering through the trees. Interior bedroom with a bed and white bedding is visible through a large window. A two-story shipping container home, rusted gray and white, with large windows showcasing an interior bathed in warm light. Glass walls and doorways separate the living spaces. A spiral staircase connects the levels, leading to a rooftop terrace with lounge furniture and greenery. The home is situated in a grassy field, surrounded by trees, against a soft, dusky sky at dusk or dawn. Hyperrealistic rendering, emphasizing the aged metal of the containers, the warm glow of indoor light, and a sense of tranquility. Detailed textures of the metal, wood, and plants. Focus on the light and shadow interplay highlighting the architecture. Green grassy foreground, with dark silhouettes of the trees. A row of two connected shipping containers, painted a vibrant terracotta orange, form a small house. The containers are mounted on a raised concrete platform, creating a terrace-like space. The roof features a grid of solar panels in a dark gray/black hue. Surrounding the structure, visible through the gaps in the containers, is lush greenery, with large palm-like leaves and foliage. The setting is a tropical or subtropical environment. The container sides have a corrugated metal texture. A covered walkway or awning is constructed from a dark gray metal framework, providing shade. The interior appears open and bright, with hints of furniture and warm interior colors. A modern, minimalist, and spacious tiny home interior, hyperrealistic rendering. Two sets of bunk beds in light gray metal frame with matching light gray bedding, two gray accent pillows on each bunk. A light oak-colored kitchen area with white cabinets and a countertop featuring a butcher block or similar wood slab. Stainless steel refrigerator and stove top visible within the kitchen. Light brown wood laminate flooring throughout. A patterned rug in dark grays and black, with a design of animals or geometric shapes, is visible in the foreground. A sliding glass door to an outdoor patio or deck is visible on the right side of the image. Natural light streams in and casts soft shadows on the floor. A contemporary, light-filled, and inviting backyard retreat. A modern, cedar-clad, small cabin or guest house with large glass sliding doors opening onto a decked patio area. The cabin features warm wood tones, white walls, and minimalist decor. A round, light gray concrete hot tub sits in the foreground, adjacent to the deck. Landscaping includes low-growing plants, and a pathway of light gray flagstones. Sunlight is bright, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Hyperrealistic rendering, focusing on details of textures, like the wood, concrete, and plants. Impressionistic soft focus on the background foliage to emphasize the depth of space. A modern, dark gray concrete house nestled within lush green foliage. Massive walls of glass showcase a warm, inviting interior bathed in golden orange light, revealing a multi-level living space filled with greenery. Ivy and other climbing plants cascade over the upper portion of the structure, creating a living wall effect. The exterior design is contemporary, with clean lines and large expanses of glass. A patio or deck area, light brown in color, leads to an entryway partially enclosed with dark gray concrete. Depict the warm light filtering through the glass, emphasizing the plants and interior space, capturing the depth, texture, and the relationship between the natural and built environment. A modern, dark gray concrete house nestled within lush green foliage. Massive walls of glass showcase a warm, inviting interior bathed in golden orange light, revealing a multi-level living space filled with greenery. Ivy and other climbing plants cascade over the upper portion of the structure, creating a living wall effect. The exterior design is contemporary, with clean lines and large expanses of glass. A patio or deck area, light brown in color, leads to an entryway partially enclosed with dark gray concrete. Depict the warm light filtering through the glass, emphasizing the plants and interior space, capturing the depth, texture, and the relationship between the natural and built environment.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.